Hey guys, it's Jehiel here and welcome to my channel where I do tech reviews, news updates and more. In today's video, I'll be talking about noise cancellation and how individuals can use it to their benefit or to their advantage, and the concept behind noise cancelling in earpieces or headsets, like in devices. Noise cancelling as a tool. What exactly is noise cancelling used for? How does noise cancelling come about? Like noise cancellation. But then before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do it and put the notification bell icon so that when I release new videos you'll be notified. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Is it
on? Okay, so noise cancellation. I have an earpiece here. I don't know where all my headsets are. The sport ones that I did in my second video, the tech I own. If you notice, you see like two headsets. I can't find them. So I got this pair of earpieces, and I want to use it for this video, like the concept of noise cancellation. I want to use this for the concept of noise cancellation. Okay, so the idea actually came in class one time. Someone brought earpieces to class, and then it supported noise cancelling, and now it was active noise cancellation. Now there are two types of noise cancellation. There's active noise cancellation and there's passive noise cancellation. Okay, so let me talk about the passive first, because the passive is also used in the active noise cancelling. So in passive noise cancelling, the headset, I can't use this. The headset, you all know what the headset is. The headset or the earpieces have high density foam around the headset. So what it does is that the foam prevents sound from external sound from coming into or interrupting your music or what you are listening to. Or also it prevents external sound from entering your ears because of the high density foam which is on your which is surrounding your ears. It covers most of the hole in your ear, so external sound cannot enter into your ear, so you will not be able to hear external sound to some point. Those kind of headphones, passive noise cancelling is used in airplanes. It's used as firing ranges. In airplanes, pilots use those headsets. In helicopters too, the pilots use those headsets, the ones with the high density foam around the opening of the headsets. The pilots in helicopters use it, and the pilots in airplanes also use it. So I got interrupted there. Sorry. So as I was saying, the pilots in helicopters, airplanes use the passive noise cancelling concept of them headsets, and also passengers also use that concept, the passive noise cancelling. But then now this is how active noise cancelling works. So with active noise cancelling, let me still use this. With active noise cancelling, there's a tiny microphone. There are microphones in these kind of headsets, this earpiece. There's a microphone behind here. So with active noise cancellation, a microphone of that sort is embedded into the one of the it's embedded into the headphone. It's embedded into each of them. So there's a microphone inside here, and there's a microphone inside here. And what that microphone does is that it picks up external noise from outside. Like it picks up external noise or external sound and sounds are wavy. What the fuck? So the microphone picks up ambient sound. When it picks it up, it is able to produce an opposite of that sound. So when the microphone picks up this sound from external source or sound from outside the earpiece, it is able to transmit it on the chip, like the motherboard. There's a chip on the motherboard, sound chip. Then it produces an opposite sound or an opposite wave, and they cancel out. When they cancel out, it's a zero. So when this happens, there's no noise. There are advantages and then there are disadvantages with active with active noise cancellation. Let's look at advantages of noise cancellation. So with the advantage of noise cancellation, as a student, you can use active noise cancelling headsets to study. What this means is that if you pick up a book right now and you know very well you have siblings, or you know you are in a noisy area or a noisy environment, you can use headsets which support noise cancelling. You plug them into your ear or you wear them over your head, and then you begin to learn. So yeah, that's basically the only thing I can think about for like students. Okay, it's not only for students, because people that they are readers, they are writers who want to have a peace of mind, who want to have silence where they are and be able to study, or be able to write what they want to write, or be able to read what they want to read, or they will be drawing or they'll be doing something that requires like silence, like active silence. Noise cancelling is for you. And listen, another advantage I can think about, advantage of noise cancellation is when for sleeping. You can be sleeping and you want to have your peace of mind, you can use noise cancellation headsets. So that's basically the importance or advantage of noise cancelling headsets or active noise cancellation for studying, doing your reading, having your peace of mind, sleeping, just basically getting that kind of uninterrupted session or uninterrupted situation. Then you can go for noise cancelling. Yeah, so the disadvantage of noise cancelling or active noise cancelling to individuals is it has to do with your hearing. It destroys or it damages your hearing. This is because what the headset is doing is that it is producing sound. It's also producing sound, but then that sound is the opposite of what is coming out from the or what is entering or around you. That sound which the earpiece is providing or is producing is the opposite of the sound you can hear around your environment. That's what it's producing. So it's also producing sound. And for all you know, if there's noise around your area or the noise around you is in a high frequency, you should know that the sound being produced by the headset is also going to be in a high frequency but opposite. So it's producing sound as well, but then it's causing some kind of harm to your ear. If you've reached this part of the video, this episode is tech tips. It's an episode under tech tips. That's also one of my segments, tech tips. Noise cancellation, importance of noise cancellation, the advantages and disadvantages of noise cancellation, how noise cancellation works, active and passive noise cancellation, why you should choose active noise cancellation over passive noise cancellation. So I recommend this for you guys. You guys should check it out. I would look for some devices or some headsets on the internet which are actually cheap and affordable for you guys, so you can check them out and you get some. I'll link them in my description. And if you have any video idea for me to film on or something, just comment it in the comment section. If you have anything bothering you, any opinion, any something, whatever, just comment it in the comment section. I'll read it and I'll work on this or something. My Instagram is jehiel.bh at jehiel.bh. Follow me on Instagram. Just follow up on my life. Then on Twitter it's Britstot.ph at Britstot.ph. I'll link them somewhere around here. So yeah, check me out, Charlie. Hey, what did I say? Sorry, I was about to come out. Yes, like this is the ending of the session. Tech tips, noise cancellation. It's me, Jehiel, and we are out. So that's all.